Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube videos not playing. If you're using YouTube and you're facing the issue that your YouTube videos are not playing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back, open your app store, and here you have to search for YouTube, and you just have to make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. There's any pending update for your YouTube app. If you might get any pending update here, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches with your iPhone. It's not true that you have to quickly press this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And here, once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's only a way. You have to simply go to your settings app, go to general, and go to iPhone storage here. Just look for YouTube app here, and you just have to try to offload your app. Or you can also try to delete the apps if there will be any bug or any malware with your YouTube app. It will be fixing this tab and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.